Mug. Start with mug.
Two men.
What?
Fitting your and your brother's description. Breaking into Giles' office.
What else are they doing?
Dahil sa tomato.
Good morning, Philippines!
Guys, look. Hubs is in our bed. Tommy covered him. He covered him and he doesn't move. He's still there. He likes it. He likes it, Baba. You like it? You like it? Oh my God, you're so special, baby. Oh my God. He really think he on the bed. Ah, it feels good, Mama. Look at him. It feels good. Oh, you're coming up? We're leaving. Bye. Oh, I said I.
Leaving, the trees coming.
Yeah, we said we're leaving. He understand. He understand.
Who has BILIS?
Iihi ka na para makaalis na kami. Go ihi. Let's go ihi. Come here. You don't want to? You don't want? Ayaw niya. Okay, let's go inside. Come in. Good morning! Good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan, mga kaigan, mga kaigon, mga kaig-ig. Si Mr. gusto niya akong maglagay dito ng ice. Let's see if ma-open natin ito. Ano may kami mo eh? Andito kasi yung mga tubig namin dito sa garage. That's good.
Well, I might not need it all, but yes, I wish I'd had it. Even I shouldn't think I would, boy.
You always carried that.
Yeah. You never sent your fathers out.
Huh?
You never mailed out your fathers.
I will bring it with me when I go back to the
That's a
college.
long time from now, huh?
I know, but we're not gonna just send that alone, hon.
Well, you still have a box with other stuff that you were supposed to send me. Well, how long ago that you got in the living room?
You can't wait?
Okay, the window's locked?
Told her to call me if she needed anything.
I put it near my windows.
That was it. End of story.
Sam, I am trying to help you here, but you have got to be honest.
Mug.
Now we have an eyewitness.
Mug. Start with mug.
Two men.
What?
Fitting your and your brother's description. Breaking into Giles' office.
Look, no, Karen told us later.
She's trying to give you a hint.
That she wanted from Tony's office, but the police weren't letting her in. Like a
Start with mug.
comparison and some other stuff.
Certain what?
Mug.
H-A-J.
M-E-G.
Okay, this goes on the refrigerator. The plastic doesn't stick to metal. So what's on the back of plastic that makes it stick to metal?
Hi, hon. Hello, hon. We're ready to lugo, son.
Still in square after one already.
She doesn't have shoes.
You can get it?
Hello, guys. Andito pa kami, guys. Andito pa kami sa bahay ni sister-in-law Terts. Yep. And, oh my God. Masakit yung ano ko, puson. Masakit yung ulo. If masakit yung puson, alam nyo na yon. Yung mga pangyayaring ganun. Pangyayaring ganun. Ano ito eh? Para ito sa ubo. Kasi guys, malapit na ano na oy falls. Kaya nag ano na ako nga nag sweater na. Kasi alam niyo naman, and pasalamat talaga ako guys na nagdadala-dala ako ng ano. Nagdala ako ng mga peds. Para kung anong mangyari sa akin, meron tayong reserva, 'di ba? Meron tayong reserver. Kailangan ko na rin yung gas. Bahala na sa Batman. Anyway, and today guys, aalis si Tommy. Punta na siya sa isang bahay kasi trabaho siya bukas sobrang aga. So, kailangan niya dong matulog. And yun lang naman guys. Wala naman masyadong. I think uulan kasi the whole day talaga yung cloud. Grabe talaga. So, I think uulan. So, idadrop lang namin si Bianan sa dialysis. And yun lang yung mga gagawin. And lubat yung cellphone ko. So, ayaw ko nang maglaro talaga.
Nobody's home.
Well, the alarm's set now, so we're out of there.
Everybody's gone.
Yeah.
You ready?
Okay. I don't know what to do with the house. They're tearing that outside wall now, so I don't know what to do.
They said they're gonna do extension. Extension in the house.
What house are they doing?
Neighbor.
The neighbor.
Oh.
Your water is there, right? Going home.
Yeah, well, look at that. It looks like they have some cute stuff there.
What?
It looks like they have some cute clothes in there, huh?
Okay, and what do you
I figured
want?
you might want to look at that.
Do you want some
Not for
clothes?
guys on it, girls up rainbow.
Yeah, maybe who knows? Maybe you want
We have
some
a clearance
nice.
thing going on. I'm just telling you. Okay, you want to look in there.
You can open this too, big boy.
Apparently you don't want to look in there. Okay.
Well, we're going home.
Well, you can just circle around.
I really want to go there.
You what?
Whatever we do next time.
You have a clearance today.
Huh?
Clearance is today. Maybe you find a
No,
good
over
deal.
here, furniture area.
Oh, that custom furniture place?
Oh, custom?
Yeah, that's furniture
It's a
place.
custom one?
I'm sure. That's nice.
What?
Little RV.
Oh, the RV. Yeah, it's a really nice one. That would be nice for traveling, right? It's nice. I think you can put it back. You can pull it out.
Right. Well, you
The
can't
side
pull it
part.
out when you drive it.
Yeah, I know, I
That's
know.
going in when you drive it.
Yeah, yeah.
That one's going at one.
Look, they can even park here.
Oh, not really. This is not like.
They can park
I
here.
guess nobody's really bothering them.
And I really like that color too. That's really common now for like that. What? They
Look
can.
inside.
I'm sure it's nice.
Not bad. There's somebody sitting there at the table.
Eating,
Maybe.
enjoying with their thing.
Maybe they get this side out too.
It's side, right?
One eye on this side too.
Yeah. We are homie. Hi, Miti. Miti kaka. Time check, it is 3 o'clock. And Tommy just eat lunchy. I don't know. I feel like having something different. Anyway, guys, my battery is low bat, so I will probably see you later. Kasi the two batteries are low bat. Bye! Nag-harvest ako ng cucumber. Dalawa yun. I think last na yun, guys. sa harvest ko. Tignan nyo, kakaiba. Tignan nyo, kakaiba. Dalawa sila guys, harvest. At ito yung binili ni Tami. No? Pero ito talaga halatang crunchy kasi ang tigas. Ito, iba na kasi parang soft. Hindi man sobrang soft, pero kakaiba dito sa parang bato ito. Pwede pala itong cucumber igisa. Para siyang upo, sabi pa ng sister ko. Onion yung nilagay ko and then ginger. Ang daming ginger. Oh. So, and then lagyan ko rin siya ng tomato. Ikat natin siya ng half. Ang ganda ng cucumber ko. Oh, halatang halata na ano siya. Crunchy na crunchy talaga. Oh, halata talaga to. Ating toyo, counting vinegar. Nilagyan ko na siya ng lime. Roxy, behave. Salt and pepper. Masarap talaga ito guys. Ay nako. And then ilagay natin ito sa refrigerator. And later on, ano na naman natin siya i-mix para talaga mag-ano siya, distribute yung lasa. Salad. First time ko to siyang nilagyan ng tomato kasi sabi pa ni Tami, ilagay na lang daw yung tomato. So, yun, ilagay ko siya. Maganda naman siya, di ba? Come here. Don't bother Dada. Dada's sleeping. Come over here. Come. Come to Mama. Come over here. Come right here. Up. Huy. Give it to Mama. He just woke up. He just woke up and he's double-doubling. It's a red bird eating the food that Tami gave.
I eat the wild one. The dog next door started barking. The dog next door started barking. I figured these two would go wild.
Our dog is quiet. Today it's we really thought it's going to rain guys, pero the cloud is clear up a little bit.
Rain tomorrow.
Huh?
You can get a lot of rain tomorrow now.
Ang bilis ng panahon guys. Andito si Tami for 7 days, 8 days. Ang bilis. Paalis na naman siya. Pero pabalik-balik naman siya dito guys. Look, what is this?
Brake fluid.
Ah, brake fluid. Let me get this for you. It's away from here. Ito na siya guys. Ang sarap-sarap. Ito, oy, this is what I said. This is what I said. Look, ang daming sauce. Dahil sa tomato. Yung sauce is naging tomato sauce. You know what I'm gonna do? I will pour that. I don't like it. The tomato produce a lot of water. So now the seasoning that I added here is not the same anymore. Hold on guys, be right back.
It's over.
For how many days we're together? 7, 8.
A week. Well, since
Monday and then another 2 days. 7, 6, 7. 8 actually, 9. 9. If you are making a cucumber salad and then you will eat it later and then you add tomato, don't add tomato guys kasi yung
why did you say that? Did you taste it?
No, I did taste it. The seasoning, it ruined it because the tomato produced a lot of water. So this one, it become like watery. So the seasoning is blah, no taste. Yeah guys, so I re-seasoned it. But what I'm going to have guys is the pasta with seafood, and then I will dip the bread. Thank you, B-boy. I'm gonna eat. And then he's going home later. He's not really going home late because, well, soon. That's my water. It's the other side, honey. Because it's traffic. This hour, guys, traffic. Kain lang kami, guys. So, ano tayo? Mag-prepare tayo. Hindi ko alam kung alin yung dadalhin ni Tommy. We need to have is salad. Hala, itong anong ba? Cheesecake, guys. I'm going to put this in the freezer. Kasi para hindi siya masyuera. Lagay, ito cheesecake, guys. Ang sarap yan, guys. As in, cheesecake. Nagustuhan ko yung cheesecake. Usually, hindi ako kumakain ng mga ganon. Ito, itapon ko to kasi ayaw ko yan. At saka, hindi siya okay. So, yung cheesecake, ilagay natin sa freezer. Oh, dito na siya sa freezer. Yay!
Now we have one back. I come positive for this fire. Garbage, you want me to do garbage? Bye, guys. Huh? You want me to put the garbage on the curb first?
No, I'll do it with you. Yellow na tayo ngayon, guys. Kasi I turned the, light. Nakatong yellow sa, umalis na si Tommy, yellow sa kitchen. Close lang natin tong window. Kasi, kitang-kita tayo sa labas. Sabi ko kay Tommy, i-change niya to, pero wala naman kaming white na natapos. Nilagay na yung white light doon sa sa kitchen. Okay, guys, mag-mask ko, guys. Mag-mask tayo. Alin ba yung gamitin natin? Gamitin natin to, guys. Collagen. Okay. Yellow siya na, pero, may na-notice ako, hindi na siya yung, iba siya. Wala na siya masyadong yung gel, yung, di ba, yung iba, yung mask talaga is meron siyang parang gel na parang mag-moist sa mukha mo. Ito, siya, parang nagda-dry out na siya. So, matagal ko kasi siyang hindi nagamit. So, I think, you have to use it after buying it or something. I don't know. Hindi naman para ganito lahat. I think bad lang talaga yung nakuha ko. I think. Pero okay naman siya. So, and guys, i-end ko na tong vlog. Kakaalis lang ni Tommy. And I'm going to make a thumbnail for my video tomorrow. So, yun. And also, I'm going to charge my laptop and continue editing. So, yeah, Tommy just left. Anyway, guys, good night. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good night, guys. Good night.